Hello YouTube, welcome to International News. Today's topic is 5 troops have been killed in Afghanistan. They were fighting for UK. They were killed on Friday while they were on foot. This is very sad and devastating news. And that is our newscast for the day. And also I'd like to say something else. Here's a market guide for all you investors out there that really want to know what's going on in the market. The Dow Jones has fell $36.65. It is now at $8,146.52, while the Nasdaq was up by $3.48, which its current price right now is $1,756.03. You can now get $1 for $1.62. You can now get a euro. Thank you and have a great day.